This is Rebelbeatbox with my third tutorial, and today I'm going to be talking about the sound. It's kind of like a rolling R. If you're Spanish speaking, this one might be a little bit easier for you. So how we're going to do is we're going to put the tip of our tongue on the bridge of the roof of our mouth, not on just the roof and not behind the teeth, but right in that middle portion. You're going to be pressing it against it gently, not all the way firm. The firmer that you press, the tighter the air is when it goes through and changes the frequency. So the looser of an application you have, the more deeper of kind of like a subwoofer bass sound that you get. So you're going to be putting the sides of your tongue up against both, I would say both sides of your molars. Channel the air through to the point of your tongue, and it's going to sound like this. That's a nice loose application. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you, if you were to press tight, what it would sound like. Maybe louder and a faster frequency in there. And you can go ahead and bend this bass sound with your lips by opening them up with kind of like an ow. An ow, wow, ow, wow. And that is how kind of you kind of do a dubstep bend of any sound that you're making. That's your second bass, and we're going to go ahead and show you a couple ways to put it into the sounds you've already made. I'm giving you a couple simple ones right now, some easy beats that you can practice and you can work up from them. And I'm going to be giving you a lot more. They're going to be getting a lot more complex as well. But I just want you to start off with the basics. So far, this is my third tutorial. You've got your hi-hat, throat bass, your metronome, and now your tongue bass. Go ahead and follow me, give me a like, check out the next tutorial and see where this goes. Learn how I personally beatbox and how I've developed into my tribal style.